In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a guest as an admin in Monday.com and invite guests to your Monday.com board. This process is quite straightforward and can enhance your team's collaboration by giving selected individuals admin-level access to your boards. So without further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to head on over to the homepage of your Monday.com account. This is typically where you'll start your journey. If you're not already logged in, make sure you do so with your credentials, and you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which showcases all your boards and upcoming tasks. Now, with a clear view of your workspace, let's move to the next step. On the homepage, you'll notice an option to invite members. This is usually located towards the top of your screen and might be labeled with a button that says Invite Members or something similar. Clicking this button will open a dialog box that allows you to add new people to your workspace. In this invitation dialog, you'll need to type in the email address of the person you'd like to invite as an admin. Be careful to type the correct email, as this is the address they will use to access your Monday.com board. Double check that everything is spelled correctly so your invitation reaches the right person. Once you've entered the email address, you need to designate this new invitee as an admin. Look for the option that allows you to specify their role. Many times it will simply be a drop-down menu or a selection button that says Admin. By selecting this, you're granting them higher level access to manage and administrate the board alongside you. Remember, admin permissions are powerful, so it's crucial you choose someone trustworthy. After setting the role, it's time to send out the invitation. Hit the Invite button to finalize your actions. This click sends an invitation email to the recipient, and they'll be guided through the process to join your Monday.com board as an admin. And there you have it, an easy and efficient way to add a guest as an admin to your Monday.com workspace. Keep in mind that different teams might have varied protocols for inviting guest admins, so ensure you're following any specific guidelines your organization may have. We hope this tutorial has made the process clear and manageable for you. By following these steps, you empower your team by expanding its capability and improving overall workflow. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more useful content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.